everyone, Mike Lovelace with Lovey's Fat Life, and today we're going to check out an interior room. First time we've had an interior room, I think, since our very first cruise. Most of the time we get balcony, but we went, Michelle and I, on a quick getaway 5-day on the Carnival Sunshine and picked an interior room. Here's the layout of it. It was in the aft of the ship, and we're going to do a comparison down the road of a balcony versus interior and which one we like the best. But here's 7320 Deck 7 on the Carnival Sunshine. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.
So this is the back side of the rooms. There's no other room behind 7320. You don't have a room across from it either. There's 7320. You do have a room on this side. Other than that, so 3 out of the 4 sides, there's no room. I mean, nobody on the beside you. All right, this is 7320, interior and the aft. Okay, as soon as you come in, it's the typical closets. It's the same pretty much in all staterooms. Bottom. And let's look at this first one. So we got the life vest, extra linens, the safe. And this is the first interior we've had since our very first cruise. So let's walk in and see what it looks like. You got a air unit here, turned all the way down. So you don't have a couch here, you got a little bench. We just pulled our luggage in. Then you got 2 twins pulled together. So looks like on this side, there is a side table. You got a TV here. So here's the bed, a little more room on that side table. Let's see, and cabinet space wise, you got your refrigerator here. We've already put our room stuff in. Little side storage, and then your typical 3 drawers with your hair dryer. Then we had some stuff delivered to our room. You got some storage up here. Then you got full-length mirror. These older ships do not have the USB plugs. They're the standard plugs. And we got our 2 waters. And then let's check out the bathroom. All right, so we got some strawberries sent to our room from no other than Captain Billy J. Thank you, Billy J. I think Michelle's already had one, but we're going to eat the rest of these too. So thank you, Billy J. And I promise to take a big bite out of that one. Have a good one. Thanks, bud. All right, so here's the bathroom. As soon as you come in, it'll be on your left in this room. Standard bathroom. You got your shelving up on the side, sink, trash. Room, some extra stuff there, and your shower. You got your gel and shampoo, curtain, and your line that comes across. Put your bathing suits up there and dry them out. And this is standing in the shower. Plenty of room for me. And looking back, and then also just a FYI, you have another outlet up here at the top. So people, sometimes you forget this, but this up here as well. So yeah, I mean, it'll get us done. So this is an interior room, and Michelle's already laying down.
Couple quick call outs on this room, just from our opinion. from having it for 5 days. Number one, there was no USB plugs. You'll definitely need to bring your own outlet. The room was quiet, being at 7320. You had no rooms beside you. You could feel the motion because it was in the aft of the ship. I like that. Some people it really bothers. There was also no plug or outlet beside the bed. You'll have to get an extension cord if you got a CPAP machine. So please like and subscribe to our channel, Lovey's Fat Life. By the end of this series, we'll probably have 45 to 50 vlogs on Carnival Sunshine alone. Thank you, and you have a great day.